Hi guys, welcome to TechRoom channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create another YouTube channel with same email address. So let's go to YouTube first. Then you'll find here on top right corner your profile icon. Click on this. Then scroll down and you'll find here settings. Go to settings. Then you can see here your channel. In your channel section you'll find here create a new channel. Okay, you can see here, right? Just click on this and here you have to add your new channel name like Green's channel. Then just click on I understand and click on create. Okay, so hold on, it is loading. Okay, you can see that the channel does not exist, but your YouTube channel has been created with this name, Green's channel. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.